Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for lines in the Citylea Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the bus sign at the bottom of the page. And then at the top you can choose if you want to search for stations or lines. So just click on the lines button. And yeah, just click on the one that you want. And it will appear on the map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.